In this tutorial, I walk through how to configure a JDBC Source Connector in Axual UI so it behaves like a Snowflake Source Connector. First, we will start with some application configuration like the ID, the name, the short name, then the ownership, the owner of this application. Then we have to select the type of the application, which will be Managed Connector, and we will select the Ivan JDBC Source Connector. Then we will proceed to add certificates to the application in order to be authorized against Platform Manager, and then we will proceed to connector configuration specifics. So we'll start with header, key, and value converter, and specifically with string converter. Then we set bat max to 1000, pool to 1000 milliseconds to have quick response to changes in the database, and timestamp delay to 800 milliseconds to avoid any potential mismatches in timestamp and to avoid losing entries. Also, the topic is a mock topic for now and will be changed later. Then we proceed to connection specific configurations. So we set the password for the Snowflake database, the URL, which contains the Snowflake URL and the database schema, role, etc. And at the end, it contains the timestamp equals UTC time zone, which is used to avoid potential issues with timestamp columns which does not have a specified time zone. And of course, we set the username as well. Then we will go to set the mode of the JDBC connector. So we will select timestamp plus incrementing mode. We will set ID column as the column for the incremental mode and updated that column as the column for timestamp. Also, we set the query. In this example, Snowflake to Kafka table will be our target table. And then also we add some more configurations to set, for example, the key for the Kafka entry or some other fields for to avoid issues with timestamp precision. When this configuration is done, we can just save our application and then proceed to request access as a producer to this specific topic. So we select our target topic, we request approval. In this specific example, we can auto-approve. So we approve the request on our own, and we select the topic name to update the topic prefix, as I mentioned before, with the actual topic we would like to use. So we just change the topic prefix with our desired topic and save the application. And then we are ready to start the application. It will launch a new task, and as you can see, the application is now running. Then we can move to our messages and check that we have messages in our topic.